Today we will discuss the reduced equation of state and law of corresponding state. We have seen that due to actual volume of the molecules and their intermolecular attraction, that behavior of real gases deviates from ideal gases. Considering these facts, van der Waals incorporated some corrections in the ideal gas equation and gave the van der Waals equation. But in this equation, constant A and B are there, which depends upon the nature of gases. So this equation cannot be applied equally to all the gases. In 1881, van der Waals suggested that if his equation is expressed in terms of reduced temperature, reduced pressure and reduced volume, then it will be converted into a general equation which can be applied to all the gases. The reduced temperature, pressure and volume of the gases are related with their temperature, pressure and volume as follows. TR is reduced temperature is equal to T upon TC. अगर P को PC से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो PR आ जाता है. PR किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर को. VR reduced volume is equal to V upon VC. So TR, PR and VR is reduced temperature, reduced pressure and reduced volume, where these are also represented by theta, pi and phi. So T is equal to Tc theta, P is equal to pi Pc and V is equal to phi Vc. By putting these values of the temperature, pressure and volume in van der Waals equation, you know van der Waals equation, P plus A upon V square, V minus V is equal to RT. So by putting these values of temperature, pressure and volume in van der Waals equation, so we get in brackets pi Pc plus A upon phi square V square bracket closed bracket start phi Vc minus B bracket closed is equal to R theta Tc. Putting the value of Tc, Pc and Vc from इन वैल्यूज़ को हम इनकी वैल्यूज़ हमको मालूम है, हमने क्रिटिकल कांस्टेंट्स की कैलकुलेशन में पढ़ा था कि इनकी वैल्यूज़ किसके बराबर होती. उन वैल्यूज़ को हम इस इक्वेशन में अबव इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. सो वी गेट पाई A upon 27B square plus A upon phi square 9B square bracket closed next bracket phi 3B minus B is equal to R theta 8A upon 27 RB, or pi A upon 27B square plus 3 into A upon 3 into 9B square phi square bracket closed bracket start 3B phi minus B is equal to 8A R phi R theta upon 27 R B. अब इसमें से कॉमन निकालते हैं तो A अपॉन 27B स्क्वायर को कॉमन निकालते हैं तो अंदर क्या बचता है पाई प्लस 3 अपॉन फाइव स्क्वायर. B इधर B निकालते हैं तो अंदर क्या बचता है 3 5 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 8A अपॉन 27B थीटा. द होल इक्वेशन इज डिवाइडेड बाय A अपॉन 27. B से B कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो the whole equation is divided by A upon 27B square. So we get pi plus 3 upon phi square 3 5 minus 1 is equal to 8 theta. This is a reduced equation of state. In this equation, no constant like A and B are present, which depends upon the nature of gas. So it can be applied to all the gases. This equation expressed in terms of reduced temperature, pressure and volume is called as reduced equation of state.